Hello my pinky pals, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Alicia, my friends call me Pinky, you can call me Pinky, and today we're doing a 3 pencil crayon challenge, I guess. That doesn't have the same ring as marker challenge, but we are doing the 3 color challenge, and I'm going to be coloring in my own coloring book and doing my own mandala. Please disregard the huge band-aid on my hand. I have to have blood taken regularly, and they usually have issues with my arms, so they tend to go to my hands, and yeah. So I'm picking my colors now. I am not looking, I swear. I did pick the white though and realized I can't use that. So I got the worst color palette I think I could have ever gotten, ever in my life, which I think just proves that I was very much so blind when I was choosing it. So I'm just putting the other colors there just to remind myself of what could have been. I even pet it for a minute there. I don't know why, but I did. I guess I was just really sad. Of all these beautiful colors I could have gotten, I got what I got. And not to say that any of the colors aren't beautiful, but they weren't my picks. They weren't my picks, that's for sure. So then I was like, well, which one should we color? And I guess I should have done the first one. But I hated this color combination so much, right to my core, that I was like, I'm going to do the last one in the book because I really wanted it to be pretty. And I knew this one wouldn't be, so I'm like, at least I hopefully can make all of the other ones pretty, and we'll just see, and we'll go from there, and yeah. So I will say, one, I'm very sorry to everyone because I do have a lot of small details in a lot of these, and I'm sorry because now I know what the struggle's going to be. But it was fun. I really enjoyed it. It was relaxing, which I didn't expect it to be. I don't color a lot, like in a coloring book. I kind of wish I did more now, which maybe I will. Now that I have my own coloring book, I am definitely going to color. I also have plans for other stuff coming out too, so I will be doing more of those. And I do like just kind of enjoy doing what I'm doing anyway. I will say though, it's so much harder to do it this way. I'm used to drawing them and coloring them in a graphic design manner. So when I color one little, whatever, what are those things? Cranberries? I don't know what they are. When I draw or color one little berry, all of those little berries are colored. When I do one bird, all of the birds are done. You know what I mean? So, like, Procreate has those little tips and tricks that allow you to color easy, I guess, is really where I'm going at here. This thing doesn't. And I will say I did rely heavily on the red, which I did use all of the colors. I didn't miss any of the colors. But, I mean, being a Christmassy winter scene, obviously red kind of came in clutch. The blue ended up working too. I think what I did was pretty nice. I think it worked. I think it turned out pretty nice. It wasn't exactly what I wanted, but it wasn't bad. So there is that. I did enjoy it. I'm like debating, did I have fun doing this? Because I'm pretty sure there was one moment in time where I was like, oh my god, why am I doing this? I hate this so much. But I did overall. You know, I think the worst part was looking at the little, like, Christmas balls in the tree and being like, oh god, I have to color every single one of these. And it just wasn't happening. I wasn't feeling it. And then I realized at one point that I was literally just using the red, and I was like, I gotta do something else. I can't just use the red, can I? Like, maybe put like a pop of blue or purple somewhere and that be it? No. So I did use it, but definitely relied heavy on the red. And I do know I know, it's May. I get it. I know. I'm doing the recording Saturday before, so May the 4th be with you all. Um, this happened to be the last one in the book, and that was it. But it actually worked out. It worked. I'm not gonna lie, it worked. It's been a really long time since I've actually colored with these pencil crayons. These were actually a gift from my husband for Christmas one year. And I love them. I use them all the time. And then I kind of got away from doing traditional art and I moved more to digital, so I haven't really had the chance to use them more. So it would be nice to kind of break them out a little bit more. I know we generally just do digital art here, guys, so it is what it is. And honestly, I don't want to just always do digital art anyway. I would love to do all kinds of stuff. I did a little bit of a poll on my community, which if you haven't done it, feel free to go. And I'm going to be posting more too, because I have kind of a thing I want to do together. So I did post that, and people seem to be wanting to have maybe some squishy makeovers or some just sculpting or crochet, which I do a lot of crochet as well. I do a lot of different crafts and art stuff, and I'd like to share all of that kind of with you guys. So I have an idea, and I want to kind of create a character with all of you guys. And shout out to my friend Vicky, who helped think of this with me. And I'll leave her YouTube in the comments, or in the description, because she did help me kind of flesh out this idea, and I very much so appreciate it. So yeah, we're going to be working on that for a while. I have another thing in the works that I'm working on. It's a big job is what it is. I literally filmed 2 hours of it, and now I'm exhausted. And I'm like, that's so much film. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But it's done. And I accomplished very little of what I wanted to do. But there's that. And yeah, so I think it just would be more fun to kind of take you guys through my process a little bit more. And, I don't need to. You guys know. Right? You can read my mind, you know what I mean? I don't even know what I mean, so I don't know how you would know what I mean. But if you do, touche. Go for it. Yeah, that's great. Let me know in the comment section below. Obviously, we are of two minds. One mind. Two minds of one. Anyway, moving on. I'm filming this quick. I have to leave soon. I have to go to the hospital. I'm getting more tests done, so that's good. It's always good to get, the testing and whatnot. I'm just noticing my nails are just ripped up, and I apologize. I don't know why. I haven't, been a nail biter since I was a kid, but I find that I'm, picking around my nails, which is not nice. I need to stop doing that. Please don't judge me by my nails. They'll be prettier for not the next video, but maybe the next, or the next. I can't remember. Because I do go next week to get my nails done. I'm getting a mani-pedi with my mom and my sister for Mother's Day. So, my nails will be nice then, anyway. And I used to paint them, I know. I got lazy. I got nail lazy, I guess. Oh. Anyway, let me know. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Y'all look great. And, let me know what you're drawing. Let me know what's going on. If you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook or anything like that, feel free to even, share there. We've got our Facebook group where we share. We've got our Discord where we share. We've got lots of stuff going on. And I've got some more plans for other stuff as well. Also, not for nothing, that blue was a real pain in the patella. It kept, breaking the, oh, jeez, I've lost all sense of brain power. The nib. It's not a nib, but on on my Apple Pencil, it's a nib. Whatever you would call it. Oh my god, how can I not think of the lead? Is that it? No, I don't know. Anyway, that nib part, the lead, the color of the pencil crayon kept breaking off, and it was really, really frustrating. I did though, I I did the little snowman and I thought that worked out well, and then I kind of just did a bunch of other stuff. The purple was where I was like, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this purple. Like, that's just not happening. I have no idea. So, yeah. I think I ended up just putting some more red in. And then I was like, no, you have to use the purple. So, I knew the one bird could be purple. I'm like, birds can be purple, right? So it's fine. A mother can have a purple and a blue child. I don't know if they're even mother and... You know what? Actually, they're not. I was thinking it was a mother bird and two baby birds, but now I remember very clearly when making this mandala that it was actually two birds. The two little birds were sitting on the little... Or no, sorry, the big bird was sitting on the little, like, string by himself. He was just minding his own, being cool, right? And then the other two little birds came and joined him, and they were just sitting far away for a while, and they just, like, slowly moved in for the cuddle. I'm going with they're probably like wanting to be friends with him, but he was kind of, not quite sure about it. That's the narrative. There you go. I forgot that. That's funny. That's weird that I would think that while drawing that, but that's kind of what I do, actually. I guess maybe it's not weird. It's probably weird for a normal person. Oh, here's the purple, and I'm just like, I don't know what to do with this purple. And I think did I literally just draw it on one of the bulbs? I think I did. I just drew one of the bulbs. That's how I started. I'm like, I'll do the bulbs. I don't know. I had no idea what to do with the stinking purple. And they were all like, they were all like the shades of the color that I also don't like. Like, okay, I don't really like red. I like pink, which is weird. I used to be a red girl, but I'm a pink girl now. And, I mean, obviously, and, like, the blue, if I'm going to have a blue like that, I don't know, I don't like those shades of the colors either. So it was like, I got colors I didn't really care for, and then I got shades that I didn't really like. I just wanted pastel and cute, and I got this, and I'm a little upset about it, but I'm not too upset about it, I guess. At least the adult in me says I shouldn't be. So... That's the way that is. Also, the, just general knowledge for you guys, because I'm sure you're riveted. That, like, little snowman that I did with the little carrot on its head that I think is adorable, I use it all the time. The first time I came up with it was to draw it on the window of one of the banks that I worked in. Because they found out that I drew, and then immediately were like, hey, could you draw Christmas scenes on the windows? So I ended up doing that, and I went over. I actually wasn't even working at that branch at the time. I only did it at one branch just because I liked them. I went over after work one night, and it was supposed to be just like me and then one girl, but they actually all stayed, which was really nice. We had a nice little, like, chat and hangout session while I painted, like, 4 windows. And I just kept, like, painting a bit, going to one window, painting a bit, going to the next window. It was quite a lot of fun, and that's where that little guy came into existence. Years ago now at this point, which makes me a little bit sad, but that's okay. And the rest is just kind of Christmassy stuff, I guess. I like the wreath that I did. I thought that was really cool. And yeah, that's about it. So I've got this coming. I really do plan on coloring every mandala in my coloring book, and I would love to do that with you guys. So that might become a bit of a series. Maybe not so much just coloring in the coloring book, but maybe just like, I do have other books that I plan on getting out and releasing, so, maybe it'll be something like that. And then I also have some other things planned, because at the end of the day, I think I figured out what it is that I want to do with my art in general. And I do like teaching. I like doing the tutorials. I like that kind of stuff. I do tutorials now. I do tutorials in my coffee shop. I am looking at changing that. I'd like it to be a little bit more, I don't know, something, a little bit more glam. So I'm going to be doing that, and I think I kind of know now, like, the direction that I want my channel to go. But also, the direction of where I want my art to go, which sounds kind of deep now that I'm saying it like that. But, I mean, that was kind of the whole point this whole time, so it is what it is. That being said, thank you so much to all my supporters. I really do appreciate it, and you're all amazing. And, you know, whether you support me on Coffee or anywhere else, I do appreciate it. Even if it's just a like, I love it. You know I do. And yeah, so I think I have an idea, and I'm going to try and kind of go with it. And then we'll see. We'll see. So that's that. That is that. And then what else is going to happen here? I had another idea. I had another thing I was going to say. I can't remember what it was. Obviously, we're still going to do digital. We're still going to do all that stuff. I can't remember, guys. I really did have something, but I don't remember it. And now, like, I'm a little frustrated in myself. So I apologize. But I don't remember it. Obviously, it was not important, as my mother would say. I did like how the wreath came out. I kind of thought of it as being like, it's almost like frozen, like there's a lot of snow on it. That's why I went with the blue. So overall, I actually ended up kind of liking the way it turned out. Not liking really the colors. I still wouldn't have minded doing it with like different shades of them all, but I think it worked the way I did it. You know, it's hard to do like a 3-color challenge with mandalas, but at the same time it's kind of nice because I also want to do one where like no one element is the same. I think I was just done. I think I'm done. Those are the colors. You can't see them. I don't remember what they were. They were ugly blue, okay purple, and weird red. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.